Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the car, please help me subscribe and click that bell notification. Every time I have a new video, you guys be updated. I'm working on a 2000 Toyota Camry, the 2.2 liter. Right now I'm changing out the starter. The customer provided me the parts. This is the part number that he bought. So right now the car is having issue with the starter noise. So every time I start the car and when the starter retract the gear, and it keep on still making that spinning noise, like, and sometimes it starts and sometimes it doesn't start. I just took out the battery and the tray for the battery, and once you get there, there's 3 bolts holding on to this cruise control. There's 3 10mm, and then separate this little fuse box right here. Press on this tab right here and pull it straight up from the battery bracket, and then from there separate the cable from this little hook right here. That way you have more room. And then behind the cruise control, there's one connector. You're gonna press on this tab and pull back. Make sure you check on all the wires too, make sure it's not broken or anything. So since he bought his own part, I gotta check it before I put him in. I don't want to waste my time, you know. He could be buying defective parts, you know. So I got it hooked onto my jumper, positive to the battery and the ground on the body. And then I hooked the alligator lead on the connector and touch the positive. There you go, the gear jump. So it's good. For the starter, the connector, you press on the tab right here, press on the bottom right here, press on the tab, pull it out, and there's 2 bolts holding onto it. It's a 14mm, one right here, one on the other side of this bracket. So once you remove it, you can take it out. There you go. And then you're gonna flip it over, get to the battery cable right here. I got my old one out already, and I put in my new one. So for the new one, you're gonna try to sneak in the butt first. Go in this side a little bit, halfway, so that way you have room to get to the cable right here, and put the cable back, and then kind of sneak your way back. There you go, just like that. I got my starter in already, tying down the 2 bolts. Make sure you check the starter wire. Make sure there's no corrosion on the pin, or the pin is not damaged on the inside. Make sure you check the wire, there's no crack or anything. If it's good, go ahead and put it back. There you go. And then put your cruise control back, the battery back, everything back on. Got the battery back, the fuse box back. So now I'm just gonna start the car. So before, with the problem, when the customer, he start the car and then the starter is supposed to retract the gear back and stop, but somehow this gear keep on spinning, and I hear like keep running. So change out the starter. Sometime the car starts, sometime it doesn't, but let's try it now. Pretty good. Let's try it again. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. If you have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you. See you guys on the next video. Peace.